Hey guys, we'll talk about how to draw king face step-by-step process in detail, so don't skip any part. Read the caption and observe the process. Make an accurate outline using the grid or freehand method. Shade with HB pencil for base layer. Hold the pencil from the back side for smooth shade. Don't create patches in face. A shade lighter in highlights areas. Use to B for shadows. Merge HB into B smoothly. Remove patches using the kneadable eraser if there are. Blend shade with a clean makeup brush. Give your time and blend smoothly. Don't rub the brush in a particular area, it creates a spot on the face. Rub on full shading. Use tissue paper or stumps for a more smoothing effect. Give some final touch on face. Use Staedtler Double E for goggles. Use limited pressure. Blend with fine makeup brush. Shade lighter in darker areas. Also, use Staedtler Lomograph 8B. Create reflections, highlights, and shadows according to the reference. Use the same process. All materials linked in the description. Use of white gel pen for reflection. Use Camlin soft charcoal and create strokes in the hair's direction. Shade blurry in shadows. Don't shade on highlights. Blend with a clean fine makeup brush in hair's direction. Create highlights with Tombow Mono eraser according to the reference.
I've got all the flavors wrapped in pretty paper. Yum, yum,
You can use an electric eraser.
yum, yum, yum.
Create detailed highlighted hairs. Use the brush one time on highlights to merge. Create detailed highlighted hairs. Make lips with graphite. Create strokes with Camlin soft charcoal. Use hairs process same. Create beard with the same process and tools. Give merge effect on skin and beard. Shade ears with to be. Give realistic look. Now work after more details and final touches. The same face process on the neck also. Use HB for the base layer. Use to be for shadows. Use a clean makeup brush for blending. Give some realistic touches like highlights, shadows, depth areas, light dark tones, etc. Use a Camlin soft charcoal for base layer. Shade darker areas and shadows first. Hold the pencil from the backside and shade it smoother and lighter. Blend with a clean makeup brush. Give folds effect. Use a mechanical pencil, an electric eraser, and draw the chain. Use the same process and create light dark tones for folds. After then blend it. Give details and accuracy until not look accurate. Use the same process and create light dark tones for folds. After then blend it.
Even when there's nothing, you always make up something. You know I try to pray for you. Even when we're touching, you always make a fussing. Okay, I'm patient. Don't test my patience.
Use the Conte Paris 3B in general charcoal for B or 6B.
Okay, I'm patient. It cannot wait 'cause
For darker areas, depth areas, shadows. Work more and give a realistic look.
pray for you.
Now work on favorite part. Use Camlin fixative spray at a 30 centimeters distance. Finally, work is ready in 25 hours. Read the description for more details and the materials link. Follow on Instagram for the latest updates.
Hit one like on Maan, Meri, Jaan, Supremacy.
Subscribe for more.